Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this algebra problem in which we have to find the value of x. We have 16 over x square equals to 25 over x plus 18 whole square. Now let's do first multiplication and we get 16 times x plus 18 whole square equals to 25 x square. Now take square root on both sides. We get under root 16 times x plus 18 whole square equals to plus minus under root 25 x square. Also we know that under root a times b can be written as under root a times under root b. So our equation will become under root 16 times under root x plus 18 whole square equals to plus minus under root 25 times under root x square. Square root to square will cancel out, so we get 4 times x plus 18 equals to plus minus 5 times x. So from here we get two equations. First is 4 times x plus 18 equals to 5x, and second is 4 times x plus 18 equals to minus 5x. So this will become 4x plus 72 equal to 5x. From here we get the value of x, that is 72, and from this equation we get 4x plus 72 equals to minus 5x. On solving this we get 9x equals to minus 72. So x is minus 72 over 9, that is minus 8. So x is minus 8. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.